Oh, the person to trace corn. Eddie put them finished gone. Oh, there isn't Eddie. Doom. One. There's an compressor king up on my car. This Puedo Conte Doom. So happened. Oh my god. Dang it, can't Conte Curtis. Wait a minute.
Administration is right here.
I'm going to the emergency room, sir.
Get in there.
Where?
Out of my car now.
Where is my
Get out of
destination?
my car now.
Oh
I
my
don't know where
god.
I
Get
am.
up
I'm
on my
asking you,
car.
where is my
Get
destination to be
up
moved?
on my
Kindly
car.
point at where I
You
am.
Get to your
tonight. Yeah, what
destination.
happened
It said here I was at your
happens.
destination. It's over.
Oh
Get out of my
wait.
car now.
Oh,
You said 7?
get up on my
Out of my
car.
car
This
now.
get up on my car. This get then Eddie. Get to something with some over
Why are
can
you
all
yelling
smell.
at me?
Take the thing all smell can gonna happen.
But you're
Yes,
not
yeah
to
tonight.
yell at
I'll get patron. Oh, they do they didn't call the other night. The over race them getting up on my car. I'll go from hospital to the hotel. Goodbye now. Man, Gary dear getting up on my car now. I'm just gonna find in the car that tonight. Good blue. I'll bet enough.